All right, hello. Like me, you are trying to install Xenoblade 2 Torna, the Golden Country. At some point, you had a real copy, and you updated the firmware, and you're trying to reinstall the copy for whatever reason, and you can't. Why is this, right? I've seen YouTube videos, I've seen questions online, I've looked things up. There's a lot of people asking this question, like, how do I get this game back, right? I found a site, but without breaking YouTube's rules, right, or whatever, the regulations, and trying to tell you about something I shouldn't tell you about, I'm just going to tell you how to do it, reading from the site, because that's not breaking any kind of rules. So this is what you do. Basically, if you have a Switch that is modded, I could say that, all right, modded Switch, and you're trying to install this game again, here are the steps. You have to do it in order. If you've gotten the files from some unknown site, I don't know where, you know where that is, this is the order that you install the games. First, you install the base game, Xenoblade Chronicles 2. That's obvious, you probably already did that. But for whatever reason, you press Torna, because you put, like me, you installed Torna next, and it stalls. Well, don't just do that. Do the, like I said, first do Xenoblade Chronicles, the base game first, version 0. Second, you're gonna have 5 DLCs, install Xenoblade Chronicles 2, Helpful Items Pack. Then you install Xenoblade Chronicles 2 Japanese Voice Pack. Then you install Xenoblade Chronicles 2 New Challenge Mode Pack. Okay. Then you install Xenoblade Chronicles 2 New Quest Pack. All right. You did that. Then you install Xenoblade Chronicles 2 New Rare Blade Pack. All right. 3. Now you install Torna. You can install Torna last too. It doesn't matter the order. But don't install the standalone version. Install the DLC version that you got with those files I don't know where. Okay, so the last step is install the latest update for Xenoblade, and it will update both Torna and Xenoblade Chronicles 2. And then if you didn't do it in the exact order, like you installed Torna right after the new rare blade pack, you could install Torna after the update. As long as installing Torna is one of the last steps that you do, make sure you install all the DLCs that I told you in that exact order after the base game. If you're starting to get confused, because I'm changing it up a little bit here, just rewind the video and go in the order that I told you from the beginning, and you will have success, because I finally was able to install it because I did it in this order. I hope I helped some people. Yay.